So today we're going to be working on a key fob for a 2016 Honda CR-V. It is the smart key, so it has the key as well as the fob in one single unit. We can confirm that the battery is dead on this key. If you look, there is a very small little light window right there. Normally when you press the button, that will blink red. But when we press the button, we see no blinks. So we can confirm the battery is dead. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the battery on this key so that we can get a functional key again. So the first step is to remove this small screw here. We're going to be using a precision screwdriver. You could call it a watch screwdriver or a glasses screwdriver. Screw is out. Set that off to the side. All right, got it open. Now this side is just going to be the battery holder. This side is the kind of electronics and so forth. We don't need to touch this side. We can go ahead and pop the battery out of this side. Sometimes it may be a little difficult to get out, so again, you can gently use your screwdriver, pop it out. We do see that it is a CR1620 3-volt battery. You can get this at the grocery store, hardware store, car parts store, any of these. So we did pick up a new one. Here is our new battery, also a CR1620 3-volt. Sometimes these packages can be kind of difficult to get into. Just be careful not to damage the battery when you're opening the packaging. You can see that the side with the writing on it is the positive side by that little plus sign. So because this thing has a positive symbol right there, we're going to go positive side down. We're going to go ahead and snap it back together. And you can see that light started to blink. So we have a functional key again. Now all we have to do is go ahead and put this screw back in. There you go, screw is back in. It makes all the lights when it's supposed to. Thank you guys for watching, we're good to go.